Never run out of YouTube video ideas with YouTube Creator AI. Just come to the left-hand side and come down to our topic scout here. So let's say you do videos about technology. You can put in find trends. You can just drop down the category here, or you can put in a custom niche topic. But let's go to technology here, find trends. Now give this just a little bit of time here, because what it's doing is going to search Google Trends, going to search YouTube Trends, give us some five, great updated topics regarding tech, and it's going to tell us why it's trending, how to film it, what sort of angles to take on it here. Okay, so it has Pixel's 10 Magic Q versus iPhone 17 AI capabilities, the latest in cyberspace breaches, the ethics of AI, Microsoft's enterprise AI push, its Copilot, the rise of AI workshop, and AI is dominating current trending topics. So you could save any of these topics. You can ask AI a little bit more about it. So that's how our trending topic generator works, and you can prompt it for any category, any sort of topic. So let's try beauty and fashion. Let's find trends, and once again give this just a minute. It's not using base knowledge here, it's pulling up updated info about this particular topic, and then it's also going to give us some reason of why it's trending, an angle to film it. So here, let's go here to the unapproachable makeup aesthetic, fierce and empowering. The cat eye looks, bold contrast. So this is topic number one. And once again, I don't know about this topic, so this is just hopefully helping somebody here. The resurgence of controversial fashion trends. TikTok's history of viral beauty, and TikTok is always going to be a great source for some YouTube videos. Any of these topics you can save to notes. Then we also have an evergreen idea generator here, so we can go ahead and put in here beauty and fashion for college students. So this idea generator here is going to work the same way. It's going to give us some ideas why we should film it, but this is going to be more on some base knowledge, some base topics that you can still do a little bit of research on, but that's what it's going to generate here for our evergreen ideas. So the ultimate college capsule wardrobe, mix and match endless outfits, the glow up on a budget, build your perfect base makeup kit for college, DIY fashion upgrades, effortless hair routine. So these are some great topics. Any topics you like, you can save these to notes, or you can ask AI about it. Any items that you save to notes are going to come down to your scratch pad here, so you can always reference them or save them for later. So here's our trending topics. Here's our evergreen ideas that we saved here. So let's say we like this topic here. So we can ask AI about it, give it just a minute. It's going to do a little bit of research for us, and this is using live kind of updated search. So we can kind of get some current info about this topic if we choose to. So breaks down what is a capsule wardrobe, why is it perfect for a college student, common must-have items. So this is great, and all these items that you can save to notes as well. So let's look at our topic scout items here. So if you want to do one of these topics, you can ask AI about it, and it's gonna think a little bit. It's going to give you some information about this topic. So you can use YouTube Creator AI for your whole search on this particular video. It's going to tell us, why it's popular, some great ideas about how to create a video, what to focus on. We can save those to notes. Let's say you liked let's go down to our evergreen one here. Let's say you like this topic. You can click this button here and it's going to carry this topic over to our video title generator. Now that you have your topic, you can start creating titles about this topic, a video description, so you can get your whole idea package regarding this topic here. And any of these items, you can always save these to notes. So let's save these notes. Any of these notifications, you can always come down to the left hand side to the settings, all right, and disable those. So let's come up here. We did the titles. Let's go ahead and generate a description as well. Once again, you don't have to now prompt again. Once you have that topic here, it's going to carry through. So this gives us a great description with some hashtags. You can save these to notes. It's going to give you long tail keywords, a suggested file name. I'm not going to go through all of this here just for time, but you can go ahead and create a thumbnail. Let's go ahead and do that. I had a saved one there from a previous thumbnail. So let's generate a thumbnail for this topic as well. And this is going to take a little bit of time because our tool here is an evergreen topic, but it's going to pull up any Google search, etc. if it needs to, even for a thumbnail and concept. So it's going to give us, the thumbnail generator is going to give us a concept, some suggested captions, and then we have some different prompts that we can use. We want to do a hyper reel for this, so let's generate image to see what this looks like. So once again, you can come here to YouTube Creator AI. This is a great thumbnail. You can download this and save it. We can add some different text options if we wanted to. Okay, so we can go here to mix and match, maybe change it to that type of text. We can change the color. And then we have a thumbnail as well. So now right here from our evergreen idea, we have some titles, a description, we have an angle of how to film it, and then you can come down here to our script outline, start generating a script, generate a full script, whatever that you need here. Okay, so this is just an example. You can prompt this. You can use our topic scout for any category. You can put in a custom category. You can put in an evergreen idea, and then you're never going to have to leave YouTube Creator AI to get your full idea package. Any items that we've been saving to our scratch pad are all going to come here, where you can copy them for your YouTube video, or you can easily here come down here, save as HTML. All your notes are going to come up clean here that you can save for later. You can copy and paste these right into your YouTube video. So really the only thing you have left to do is film the overall video, but these titles are going to be on point for what you need. And you can use this for shorts as well. So check it out, YouTube Creator AI. It is totally free. If you do want to upgrade to Pro, we're offering a free 7-day trial. Email me at mateo@youtubeCreatorAI.com and I'll hook you up with the free 7-day trial. We do have a monthly and then a annual plan. So check it out, YouTubeCreatorAI.com.